What's going on, money makers? Yeah, today's video is about funnels and how it can work for your business. Now, there's two ways to do it. This video is called Royalty versus ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is actually a great software program. Um, well, actually, let me go back and back up. What a funnel is something that attracts your business. So if you have like a product, so what they usually call what is a lead magnet, like you'll give something away for free or something on the cheap, and then the next click through will click you to another product or another thing that's of higher value. If you want to leave, they'll present you with a different offer for like maybe 50% off, or if you go through click through that, it gets you to another higher price item, and it works well for businesses. But the thing that I found with ClickFunnels versus Royalty is more ClickFunnels have more um like set up as far as funnels, but as far as the price and because the price is $99 a month, and that's very limited towards funnels. I think you can only make maybe 4 or 5 funnels. But with royalty, you can make unlimited funnels. I'll show you how the royalty one works. I worked with ClickFunnels before. Um, I I didn't find it very user friendly. There's a lot of they tell you there's a lot. It's easy. You just cut and paste. You cut and paste. You cut and paste. But there's more to it. You have to actually bring traffic. You actually have to buy a domain name if you want to do it real good. Record, webinars and all types of stuff. So, but a lot of people are finding great success with ClickFunnels. I actually read some of the books and um by Russell Brand. It's pretty good. If you're into a lot of motivational type stuff. Me personally, if somebody has to constantly motivate you on stuff and you're looking around in your situation and it hasn't changed. I mean, that a lot of those things are, and that's not a knock against them. That a lot of those people are rah rah speeches, and I'm not into rah rah speeches. I'm more into can you, can I do, what can I do? So this was just ClickFunnels. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave a link for that, but a lot of people are. You can investigate it for yourself, but I will tell you about royalty here. Um, how easy it is to set up a funnel, and I'll show you some of my funnels. So this is my first funnel. So what a funnel is, again, I'll show you. Okay, so I would capture this person's information, and it will come back to my app, or I'll get an email saying, hey, you got a lead. They want to know more information, and so they'll fill their information out. They'll click that, and then they'll come to step 2 in the funnel. And step 2 in my funnel is actually a video that tells you about royalty. You can join royalty or the compensation plan. So if they click join royalty, that'll give them a page where they can start joining royalty. If they click on the compensation plan, it'll lead them down to my third funnel page here. And then they want to know about the compensation plan, how everything's broke down, join the affiliate program, and then they can purchase pins right there. Okay, so now that you know how a funnel actually works, let's actually build one. We're gonna actually use ClickBank. If you guys don't know what ClickBank is a affiliate marketing and affiliate. If you need to know what affiliate marketing is, I'll do another video. So in this video, this is only part 1. So this is just to demonstrate and tell you about the funnel system here. So in the next video, we'll build a funnel.